जय माँ समले सबको मोर गुरुदुटे जोहार आउ गुरुकुल संबलपुरी के स्वागत। आज देखमा आम करेन्ट अफेयर रो 100टा क्वेश्चन जेनटा कि आरआरबी ग्रुप डी रे आसुची रिसेंट आसुची जनवरी रु अगस्त तक देखबे खाली। तो पहला क्वेश्चन के जिमा जालगांव ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट अकर इन व्हिच स्टेट जेनटा कि 2025 रे हितला किन स्टेट रे हितला महाराष्ट्र स्टेट रे हितला एटा। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन के जिमा द पुष्पक एक्सप्रेस एक्सीडेंट नियर पचोरा इन्वॉल्व फियर ऑफ व्हिच इंसिडेंट क्या थिले कि इटा हितला फायर लगे हितला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिमा हाउ मेनी कैजुअलिटीज वेर रिपोर्टेड इन द 2025 जालगांव ट्रेन एक्सीडेंट केतेटा 13टा 13टा। द रिपब्लिक डे परेड 2025 वाज हेल्ड ऑन केनो कर्तव्य पथ। इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इटा गोटे व्हिच कंट्री वाज द स्पेशल पार्टिसिपेंट एट द 2025 रिपब्लिक डे परेड इंडोनेशिया। नेक्स्ट द 2025 प्रयाग महाकुंभ मेला वाज हेल्ड एट केनो हितला प्रयागराज रे हितला। इम्पोर्टेंट इजी क्वेश्चन प्रयाग महाकुंभ मेला 2025 बिगेन ऑन व्हिच डेट केबे हितला 13 जनवरी रे हितला। 2025 विजयपुर नक्सल अटैक अकर इन व्हिच स्टेट इटा भी इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है छत्तीसगढ़ रे हितला। इन द 2025 बीजापुर नक्सल अटैक हाउ मेनी पीपल डाइड केते लोग मरिथिले 9 लोग मरिथिले। व्हिच डिवीजन वाज न्यूली क्रिएटेड इन 2025 अंडर द इंडियन रेलवेज जम्मू डिवीजन। जम्मू रेलवे डिवीजन फंक्शन अंडर व्हिच रेलवे जोन नॉर्दर्न रेलवे जोन रो जम्बूटा जाउछि। नेक्स्ट इंडियन रेलवे अनाउंस मॉडर्नाइजेशन प्लान कॉस्टिंग अप्रॉक्स केते 1.92 लाख करोड़ एतकी इन्वेस्ट लगी करा जाइछि। इन जनवरी 2025 व्हिच कंट्री साइन मैरीटाइम कोऑपरेशन विथ इंडिया के यूएई। व्हिच मिनिस्ट्री लॉन्च द नेशनल मॉडर्न रेल प्रोग्राम 2025 railways. Which organization released India's GDP outlook for early 2025? IMF. Next question कीजिए IMF projected India's growth at approx dash for 2025 total माने 6.8% approx अछि एटा। India's first hydrogen train project 2025 is planned in which state? Haryana. In the January 2025, which state became the India's fastest high-speed internet state? Kerala. Sabuturu internet speed अछि. Who chaired the 2025 Republic Day parade? President of India. Who won the ICC Men's Best ODI Cricketer 2025? जेंटा के शुभमन गिल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन के जिमा जेंटा के एबे शुभमन गिल आमर ओडीआई वनडे रो टेस्ट रो कैप्टन। व्हिच कंट्री होस्टेड द 2025 वर्ल्ड गवर्नमेंट समिट यूएई। इंपोर्टेंट एटा गुटे इंडिया साइन ग्रीन एनर्जी एमओयू विथ व्हिच कंट्री इन फेब्रुअरी 2025 केन देश संगे यूएई संगे। नेक्स्ट ए न्यू वंदे भारत रूट लॉन्च इन फेब्रुअरी 2025 बिटवीन दिल्ली और अमृतसर भितरे। नेशनल साइंस डे 2025 थीम वाज थीम काना थिला साइंस फॉर आत्मनिर्भर भारत। द हाईएस्ट जीएसटी कलेक्शन ऑफ 1.82 लाख करोड़ वाज रिकॉर्डेड इन व्हिच मंथ किन मंथ रे की दिला जनवरी 2025। India's 2025 budget emphasized mainly on manufacturing job basically. Which team won the women's cricket tri series 2025? India. India's first AI power rail station launched in which city in February 2025? Bengaluru. Which state topped in EV adoption in 2025? Karnataka. Who became the new CMD of Coal India in 2025? PM Prasad. The world's largest solar park 2025 was inaugurated in Rajasthan. Which India airport won Best Green Airport 2025? Hyderabad. Who won the ICC Women's Cricketer of the Year 2024? Smriti Mandhana. India's first quantum research center launched in Chennai. Which organization approved India's digital payment reforms 2025? RBI. Which state launched Mission Shakti 2.0 in the March 2025? Odisha. World Water Day 2025 theme was Water for Peace. A new Vande Metro project approved in which city? Lucknow. India signed a semiconductor MOU with which country? Taiwan. RBI kept repo rate at dash in which March 2025 6.5%. Mission Life Week 2025 was celebrated in which month? April. India launched first 6G test bed in Bangalore. The India Health Card 2025 initiated launch under Ayushman Bharat. Which country hosted G20 Labour Summit 2025? Brazil. Which airline became India's first safest airline 2025? Indigo. India's biggest railway bridge work review in April 2025 is Chenab Bridge. Which city launched India's Clean Air Plan 2025? Mumbai. The world's fastest solar power train trial was done in Germany. India's first AI-driven police command center was launched in Hyderabad. UPI cross-daily transaction recorded of days in April 2025 500 million. Which state topped Niti Aayog SDG Index 2025? Kerala. India launched Chandrayaan 4 preparation in May 2025 under Lunar Sample Return. Which state recorded highest literacy growth in 2025? Bihar. India's clean energy target for 2025 is 200 GW. India's first women's naval squadron commissioned in Kochi. India's cyber security mission 2025 launched with budget of 10,000 crore. Which bank topped digital payment in 2025? SBI. World No Tobacco Day 2025 theme Youth versus Tobacco. Which city launched India's largest e-bus fleet? Bangalore. Which mineral is newly discovered in Rajasthan in 2025? Lithium. India hosted BIMSTEC Summit 2025 in Hyderabad. India's first bio-rail track trial done in which state? Odisha. RBI launched Digital Rupee 2.0 pilot for retail. International Yoga Day 2025 theme Yoga for Peace. India Japan Maritime Exercise 2025 held at Bay of Bengal. Which state won Best Smart City Award 2025? Tamil Nadu. India's first digital agriculture platform 2025 launched by Ministry of Agriculture. Which state topped solar power generation 2025? Rajasthan. World Environment Day 2025 theme Land Restoration. India's top export partner in June 2025 is USA. India signed defense technology agreement in July 2025 with France. India's tallest railway tunnel located in Jammu Kashmir. UPI International expanded to which new country in July 2025? Saudi Arabia. World Population Day 2025 theme Rights and Choices. India's launched National Skill Mission 2025 with focus on railways. World largest EV charging station 2025 opened in China. India's first carbon neutral airport July 2025 is Kochi. India's biggest AI lab for defense opened in Hyderabad. Which state won Best Tourism Award 2025? Kerala. Which state recorded highest rainfall in July 2025? Assam. 130th Constitution Amendment Bill was introduced in which year? 2025. 130th Amendment Bill deals with removal of ministers charged for crimes. Gaya Delhi Amrit Bharat Express launched in which month? August. Which city got the new Amrit Bharat Express in August 2025? Delhi. India UAE 13th JDCC meeting held in Dubai. India and UAE signed agreement on maritime security. India's new Defence Cyber Command HQ opened in Bangalore. National Sports Day 2025 theme Sports for Youth. Chandrayaan 4 lander designed completely by ISRO. India celebrates National Handloom Day on 7 August. World Cat Day is observed on 8 August. Independence Day 2025 theme Viksit Bharat. Which state launched India's largest flood control project 2025? Assam. Which Indian player won the 2025 Chess Master Cup? Gukesh. First hydrogen bus fleet tested in Delhi. Which company became India's biggest employer 2025? TCS. जेनटाके रेलवे करूची. Which state started India's first drone police wing? Tamil Nadu. Which airport won Best Airport 2025? Hyderabad. India's largest river cleaning project launched in August 2025 for Ganga. Who became the new chairman of Railway Board? Anil Kumar Lahoti. Like and share please. Thank you.